Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Empire apples. They were introduced in the 1960s in the state of New York, hence the name Empire apples. They're a cross between a Red Delicious and Macintosh apples. Regarding their characteristics, Empire apples are medium in size, they have a thin skin, and despite that, they don't bruise easily, which is very interesting considering the thin skin. The flesh is a creamy white, and they're juicy and crisp and a nice sweet tart. Regarding the best uses of Empire apples, they can be enjoyed fresh, eaten out of hand, and cut up into salads and slaws. They might also be made into applesauce because their flesh breaks down a lot when it's cooked, so it will work out really well for an applesauce. They're not suitable for pies and other such desserts because they do break down easily when they're cooked. They do pair well with sharp cheeses, pears, pumpkin, and warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.